OFM Sport.
Chucky, a teammate of yours for South Africa, not South Africa, Namibia and the Cheetahs, Norse, 150th game this weekend. He had a good one against Leopard. You could see that it was a bit personal, being his old haunting grounds. But massive servant of Free State rugby, starting to approach the Alpha Miller territory when it comes to caps. He just doesn't quite have that stick the way he thinks he does. But how much of a privilege has it been for you to play with him in both his levels for so long?
Yeah, massive. I've been playing for 10 years now. This is the 11th year that I've been playing with Aranos. Such a special guy. You have to know him. He can be difficult sometimes, but just such a special person. And I'm very happy for him getting his 150 and on the stadium as well.
And Frans, what does it mean for you as a coach to have that kind of experience? Because all the props here are youngsters. If you look at Tilly's, Duxie, Ben, Frankie, they're all youngsters. To have a guy like that is probably invaluable.
Yeah, look, he needs to transfer as much as he can at the moment. I don't know how long Norse is still gonna play, but we're gonna milk as much as we can out of him, and I think he knows it. I met Norse at racing when I was 21, so I know him a long time. I'm happy for him. I think, especially for the Cheetahs as well. I think he did a lot for this union, and he's been here through everything. He's one guy that didn't left, he stayed. Pay cuts was offered to the players at one stage, he stayed. I think he's a massive example for a lot of people, and we're going to milk him. He's going to be, hy gaan krom wees as hy hier klaar maak. He needs to teach the younger guys, and they need to learn from him, and that's the type of guys we want at the Free State as well. So people that wants to live here, that wants to stay in Bloemfontein and raise their families here. I think, so he's been a massive guy for the Free State.